Okay. Ugh. I washed my chapstick again in the laundry. Now it's ruined. Fuck my life. Burt's Bees is like $4 a stick. They're expensive. So, I'm going to do a little video right quick. I have music in the background because I don't want to be like uncomfortable, awkward silence or whatever. And I spent today at the beach. I had company and I got some sun. And there's a whole bunch of videos I want to do. I want to get to it, but kind of want to do story time videos, coming out, relationships, all that kind of stuff. Because Lord knows I struggle with that. And I'm just being a single Pringle right about now. But anyhow, I want to kind of do dance videos. I know a lot of like choreography from like the 90s music videos. But anyhow, I'm going to be doing a unboxing video right now. Not that you can see this box. I don't know. Yeah, it's like, you know, it's not going to work. Kill Devil Hills. It came FedEx, and this is the people who made Proactive, the two dermatologists. They're really well known. They did their own company now. I feel like I have a pimple right here. I have a pimple every time I'm doing a video. And when I get sun, man, do my freckles come out. But I used to have really severe cystic acne. I had it all through high school. Puberty, like probably 15 till, I still get breakouts to this day. And cyst means it's like a boil, it's painful. And it left me scars and craters and everything of that nature. I'm really insecure about it. It happens. People can be ignorant in the gay community as far as aesthetics and being superficial and just your looks and stuff. But also, I used to coach gymnastics, and kids sometimes can say mean, hurtful things just because they don't know any better. But, so, I bought this particular thing. A girl I work with sells, Rodan+Fields, the dermatologist that made Proactive, super famous and what it is today. They went off and they're doing their own stuff, a little bit more strong, medical grade type of products. And they sell it basically like you could become a salesperson, a representative, or whatever, just like Avon or Mary Kay makeup or anything else that there is to sell. So, Brittany ordered this for me, and it was like, it came really, really fast. I want to say like 2 or 3 days after she ordered it, it came fast. Now, granted, this stuff is expensive. If you're a salesperson, you can get some sort of discount. I don't know all the things, all the details about it. But whether you can see it or not, it says Rodan+Fields in the box. It came with some air paper. And what I happened to get cost about $200. That's why I know I've been reviewing a lot of expensive stuff right about now. And what this is, it's one of them face rollers. It's called Redefine. And this is the box. I think I have maybe too much sunlight going on right now at the moment. So anyway, it says Redefine, and what it is, it's one of those face rollers that has like, I think needles or pricks or something, kind of sort of like acupuncture. And what happens is like your skin is layers and layers and layers, like at least 7 or something. And you have like your dermis, your epidermis. There's, I think, like, I want to say that there's subclavian or something, but it's different tissue. And so not only had I been on Accutane 3 different times in my life, isotretinoin, it's a really harsh, strongest medicine that there is. It's really bad on your liver, on your organs. It makes you depressed, suicidal, all of that effect. You can only be on it for 6 months at a time. I'm wearing my little flip-flops and they're like sparkling in the sun. You can only be on it for 6 months at a time. You have to be on 2 forms of contraception. You cannot have a child on that medicine. It did make my body, my aches and pains, really severe. I felt like I was 30 or 40 years older than what I was, and then being the former gymnast that I was, it was just not a good time. So, I'm going to just do this unbox video. It's very nice, it's clean, pristine, it has an R and an F for their name. And this, you know, Rodan+Fields Redefine. And what it is, it looks sort of like this. I think I have too much sunlight, and you guys can't probably see none of this. But, I mean, I don't really know what this is. I'm going to have to read the instructions, obviously, film the rest of the video, and then come back to it. But there they are right here. You've seen them on TV, on the commercials. Back home, they sell Proactive in the big malls in vending machines. And a lot of people like that better because they don't want to give you credit card numbers and then you get billed for something, you know, and they're sending it to you faster than you're using it, or they're sending you stuff that you don't want. So I am guilty of having a lot of that stuff in there. But what this is, I see this little roller thing here. This says Rodan+Fields Redefine Intensive Renewing Serum, and these look like little caplets. They look like caplets containing oil. This is the roller thing. It is a micro-exfoliating roller, and I feel that it's supposed to have some sort of needle or prick, because not only did I have to be on acne medicine like crazy long, and it made me really sick, and it was horrible. I was so pale. Kids in high school called me gothic because I have dark features, and then my skin was pasty white. But I did go tanning a lot also. This is what I was going to say. And tanning helped clear up my acne a lot. I have no clue what this is. I'm assuming that this is something to clean the thing in, or to keep the thing in, because there's a line here, like a fill line. And cha-cha-cha. So tanning helped clear up my acne, being in the sun. And then there's all of these things, which, again, I don't know what this is. AMP MD Purification Tablets. Purification Tablets. So I'm going to have to get in all to this. I'm going to have to read the instructions. I'm going to have to see what to do. Oh, my Lord. Okay. Yeah, so basically there's there's 5 steps to this. Getting started, you use this regimen twice a day, as instructed. The exfoliator, retinoid-based products, the roller, the serum, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. The reverse brightening regimen, AM, Redefine. From my understanding of it, I'm like so scatterbrained today. Lack of sleep or something. But anyhow, okay, basically, what happened, I had really bad severe acne. When I couldn't be on the medicine anymore because I got too old to be on my parents' insurance, I still was having acne problems. They put you on that medicine hoping that by the time you're done with puberty that you're cured. And so I kind of just gave up on it and thought I'm going to be ugly, this hideous monster with craters in my face, pizza face, whatever, you know, kids will say. They could be really mean. Some of the kids that I taught gymnastics would say, "What's wrong with your face?" And, you know, it hurts your feelings. So then, I'm not rich by no means. I'm not a celebrity. I can't go get the really expensive hydrofacials or whatever kind of facials that they get. And oftentimes, dermatologists, treatments are considered to be cosmetic and not medical. Although I had a pre-existing condition. Mine was severe, legit. It came hereditary, genetic from my parents. Has nothing to do with if you're a dirty person, has nothing to do with your diet, if you're eating greasy stuff or pop. But I will tell you, like, pop for me made me break out. Sugary stuff does. And basically, what happened, whenever I couldn't be on the medicine, I had to find alternative things. So I would go get facials done at spas and salons. As you all know, it's really expensive. Sometimes, you know, $60 for maybe half an hour of some sort of a facial. And when I went to beauty school, thankfully I became good friends with a lot of estheticians. I spent majority of my time in the spa. I loved my my spa teacher, the esthetician. Her name was Miss Debbie. And I just loved her to death, and she taught me a lot of things, and I got to do all kind of facials. Not to mention I got to be the guinea pig for all kind of facials. I got the Jesner peel, I got this galvanic frequency thing peel, which is like sonar. I got a crap ton of microdermabrasions. You can imagine. So my video is running low. I'm really bad at this whole YouTube thing. I'm going to have to get better. I'm going to have to learn how to edit and all this and that. But, so, long story short, I had also gone to this medical spa in Ohio. It was in Boardman, and I paid $100 3 times to get a chemical peel, a tetrachloric acid, I believe it was. It was really painful. It peeled my skin. It shedded. It looked horrible. I looked like a snake shedding its skin. And, you know, you don't want to get a really severe sunburn and then shed your skin because cancer, melanoma, it's painful. It's agony. You don't want that. Same as I had tried cleansers with salicylic acid, and it makes you itchy and it makes you flaky, and who wants that? And then again, you're sensitive to sun exposure. So after the $300 peels, I got a laser peel. It was a bicarbonate laser, and that cost $250. And I paid for all this out of my own pocket because I was so desperate at the time to get like beautiful skin. This was before I went to beauty school, and like I said, my spa teacher really helped me. But a lot of it, you have to drink water. That really helped my skin. Getting sun is good. The bacteria that cause acne cannot grow in the presence of oxygen. So like there's this tool that zaps your face with static, and it increases oxygen in your pores. And so your pores get clogged and they get dirty with the oil. And like I said, that bacteria causes a blemish, a breakout. So this particular device that I just purchased, it's actually because I have the scarring still to this day. I have a lot of sun damage. I mean, I have freckles, but I'm 30. I have wrinkles in my forehead from tanning. I have a lot of damage just that I did. And I used to have really cute dimples when I was a kid, but then braces made me lose one of them. I had a skinnier face. They broke my jaw and made it wider. But at least I have nice teeth now. And then I'm going to do a separate video on like when I actually start using this thing. I'm going to try to document it and hopefully that I get results in a week. But yeah, this is supposed to repair wrinkles, sunspots, scarring, pitting, whatever. This is to redefine the texture of your skin. And if you can't afford peels all the time and this and that all the time, and I've had every procedure done onto my face. I have the skin that I put it through the craziest heck. But what you'll know is medical professionals, like they never want you to be aggressive or harsh. They don't want to go full force with their treatments. But when you had severe issues that I had, you don't get results with little minute trivial stuff. So you have to start small and work your way bigger. And it's all like a guessing game, and it's a trial and error. It's an experience. But yeah, so that's that. I'm going to keep you posted on how this works. I got my little pineapple top on, and my hair is curly, and oh my god, curly hair is the worst. I mean, it's hard. The in-between stages, it's ugly, and mine's looking like a fro. But anyhow, I'm signing off because I'm running out of time, and I will keep you guys posted. And yes, I did shave my face. If you keep your scruff, guess what? They don't see all the scars. But if you want to look younger, you got to get rid of the beard. So I will catch up with you later. Adios, amigos. Bye.